Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to send emails on behalf of another account in Outlook. This is especially useful if you're managing multiple email addresses or handling correspondence for someone else, and it allows you to clearly show which account the email is coming from. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Make sure everything loads properly so you can see your inbox and all your emails. This step is important because you need full access to your account settings before you can configure the Send on Behalf feature. Once your email has loaded and you're on the main screen, look toward the top left part of your interface and click on the New Email button. This will open up the email composition window where you'll be able to access all the tools needed to customize who the email appears to be sent from. This is the starting point for setting up the Behalf of feature. Now, from the email composition screen, direct your attention to the top part of the window. You should see a From drop-down option. Click on it to reveal a list of email addresses currently linked to your Outlook app. These are the accounts you can send from directly. At the very bottom of this list, you'll notice an option labeled Other Email Address. Go ahead and click on it. A new window called Select Email Address will appear on your screen. This is where you'll specify the exact email address you want to send on behalf of. In the text field provided, type in the email address you wish to use. For example, if you're sending on behalf of a business account, you might type something like tutorialslab@tutorialslab.com. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any delivery issues. After you've typed in the email address, click on the OK button to confirm your selection. Once you do this, the sender email will be set and you'll see it reflected in the From field of your email composition window. At this point, you're all set to compose your email's content as you normally would. Write your message, add any attachments if needed, and when you're ready, hit send. The email will go out on behalf of the address you specified, making it clear to the recipient who it's officially from. And there you have it. You've successfully configured Outlook to send emails on behalf of another account, giving you flexibility and control over your email communications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.